Hey guys, what's up? PipSnipers here, back for another update. Let's take a look at Bitcoin over here on the 3-hour time frame. And what we could have over here is a diamond bottom in a bullish descending broadening wedge. We've been within this correction for a little bit over half a year now. And we also have double tapped the 50-week SMA. I know I showed you guys that in my last video, but I like to just bring it towards your attention again because it's a very important support over here. Okay, now if we lose that 50-week, then it's likely we'll come down to the next macro support area, which would likely be the 70.2% fib. So as you guys can see, if we take a fib from the bottom of January, so from here up to this high, we have hit the 61.8% fib. If you lose the 618, then it's likely we'll go ahead towards the 702,786 area, sitting at $46,000 to $44,000. Okay, so it's very crucial that bulls don't lose that 50-week SMA, sitting at 53,943. Okay. Now, what we could have over here going back to August 5th is a 5-wave move to the upside. And then you have a 3-3-5 for your wave 2. So a 3 down in your A, 3 up in your B, and then a 5-wave move to the downside for your C wave. Coming towards the 78.6% fib, measured from this low up to this high over here. Okay. And then what we saw over here is a rally towards trendline resistance and a push towards the 61.8% fib. As you guys can see, we have hit the 61.8% fib over here and this trendline resistance. Okay, so now we're seeing a little bit of a throwback here. It's likely will come down towards this structural support sitting at 56,600. And this kind of looks like an inverted head and shoulders over here. So you have your head, right? So you have your head over here, your left shoulder, your right shoulder. This is your neckline. Okay, we'll make it like this so you guys can see. This over here would be your neckline. Okay, so it wouldn't surprise me that we come down, tap this neckline at around 56,600 before we see some type of trend direction form from there. Because don't forget, we are still within a diamond pattern. Now, when you're in a diamond pattern, you're going to see a lot of chop and sideways action, right? You have a creep into the diamond from the left-hand side, right? From the corner, and then you make your way to the top of the diamond. This creates your apex before you have a huge flush down towards the bottom end. You see a creep up to the right, a throwback down to the bottom end, and then you just chop around here before you find resolution out of the range. Okay, so now we have rate cuts this week. Very big week today in regards to trading, in regards to our trading days. And it looks like we're about to break this trend line over here. Okay, we actually broke down below it already. Came back up to tap it as resistance. Okay, so you see we broke down through it, came back to tap it as resistance, and it looks like we're going to have continuation down here. So, looks like we're still consolidating here within this range. And we should get our answer soon, okay, because there's not much room left here for the price to go. As you can see, it's very squeezed. So if we end up losing this structural support over here, along with the 50-week SMA, then like I said, it's likely we'll have a deeper correction down towards 46 to 44,000, sitting at the 70.2% fib and the 786. The bullish scenario would be that we just chop around here. This would be our wave, subwave 1, subwave 2, and then you come up for a subwave 3, 4, and 5, with the third wave coming to around the $82,000 to $84,000 region. Okay, so all eyes on this range over here. It's going to be a very big week. and we'll definitely see how it plays out. Okay, we have a technical target, or a measured technical target of our diamond bottom pattern sitting at around 86,000. So we'll definitely see how the price plays out for the rest of the week. If we take a fib from this low over here, from the start of our advance from September 6th up to this high here on September 13th, and we do see that the 50% is sitting at 56,424, and the 38.2 is at 57,365. So I would be expecting a move towards 57,365 for our first point of interest, and then eventually a move towards 56,424 at the 50% fib. Okay, so these three fib supports over here, the 38.2, 50%, and possibly the 61.8% fib at trendline support of this diamond bottom pattern. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video on Bitcoin today. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to let me know. And if you want to stay updated with all of your favorite coins, then definitely click the link in the description below to join the Discord. Peace out and take it easy. See you in the next one.